Somerset Commercial Business. Cost of septic waste tanks emptying. What's the price for emptying a septic waste tank? They're normally installed on sites where no sewage or main drains are connected at the time. It will contain all the site's wastewater and sewage. These tanks can vary in size. Burnham Portable Toilet Hire can empty and service these tanks throughout the year. The only way to remove the waste is by a licensed contractor such as ourselves. Our highly trained operators will arrive on site with the correct PPE and safely remove and dispose of the waste. We will provide you with the necessary insurance certificates, waste carrier's license and permit to discharge, plus waste transfer notes. In Somerset, we cover a broad geographical area, including Bristol. Our service extends along the M5 corridor, servicing locations Portishead, Avonmouth, Clevedon, Nailsea, Worle, Weston-super-Mare, Banwell, Brean, Hinkley Point, Burnham-on-Sea, Taunton, Exeter, Glastonbury, as well as villages and south-west coast. Our commercial clients are diverse, with industrial companies in addition to private, domestic, individual households. Regardless of the size of the tank, we strive to provide the best possible service. We arrange a time and a date to suit you. This can actually be outside of normal office hours or at the weekends. A septic tank is a vital component of individual sewage disposal system located in the ground. As the water enters the tank, solids settle at the bottom, forming a sludge layer. Septic tanks cultivate bacteria for breaking down waste. No chemical additives are generally required. Septic tanks require regular maintenance and pumping to remain functional. Neglected tanks can cause health hazards and expensive repair or replacement cost. The cost for emptying the price of a tank can vary significantly, largely influenced by factors like the volume of waste and distance to the location. A fully loaded large tanker represents the upper limit in terms of price, which may be up to £500